Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This mobile Huawei Y6 Pro, you can see here this mobile FRP bypass. First of all, you have to dial 9111 and call it. After that, screen on and click contact. You can see here. Now you have to add contact. Click OK. Add contact and you can see here. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So guys, follow my step by step and don't skip my videos. First of all, you have to enter Google link and next it. So now click save it. After that, now click website. You can see here Chrome browser is open. Now you can see here. Now you have to search iCloud FRP bypass frp.com. Now guys, you have to click on first link. You can see here iCloud bypass. Click on this link. Do it. Scroll down. Do it. It's loading now. Guys, follow my step by step. Don't skip my videos and like my videos. Scroll down. As you can see, this mobile FRP bypass tool and bypass. There are so many links. You have to click bypass. Here you can see here download quick shortcut. You have to download two application and install it. Setting, okay, and accept it. If you are new on my channel, and then subscribe my channel and don't forget. So now open this application quick shortcut maker. Now you have to search Google. Do it. First of all, you have to install Google Account Manager 5. Download Google Account Manager 5 Android. And guys, you have to open this application and install Google Account Manager. So now install complete. Now click done. After that, again you have to download Google quick shortcut maker. You can see here replace and open it. Again install this application, and now you have to open this application. As you can see, install completed and open this application. Now guys, you have to search Google Account Manager. scroll down and try again. After that, click on three dot and browse sign in. Now you have to sign in any Gmail in this mobile for verifying accounts. Now you have to enter Gmail address. When you enter Gmail out, then click next or go. Now guys, you have to enter your password of Gmail. Click next when you input your password. Signing now, and now signing complete. Now you have to restart your mobile. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. Do it. Android is starting. Hi friends, you can see here this get started. Now click next and next agreed. Follow my step by step. You can see here FRP bypass is removed. Now you can see here. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video.